Introduction to Engineering Design, or IED, is the first class in our pre-engineering sequence and is a prerequisite to all the other pre-engineering classes. Typically, students take it as a freshman, but if a student doesn't take it that year, they are encouraged to take it as a sophomore or even later. The primary focus of this class is what we call the design process. Engineering is about problem solving. The design process is one way of explaining the process that engineers and designers use to solve problems. We will look at several types of problems during the class: part design, assembly design, and human-centered design. Much of the class focuses on sketching and computer-aided design, or CAD. You will learn about isometric and orthographic sketching and practice making some of those sketches. You will learn how to create those drawings in the CAD software. You will learn how to create parts in the CAD software. Most will be serious mechanical parts, but occasionally something fun like pumpkins or faces is a good way to increase your skills. You will learn how to document those parts on a drawing. You will learn how to measure those parts and add those measurements to the drawing. Also, you'll be able to describe the consistency of the parts using statistics. You will learn how to use the CAD software to put all those parts you made together into an assembly. Those assemblies can be as straightforward as a toy car or as complex as an assembly made from hundreds of Lego parts. You don't have to do the hundreds of Lego parts model, but you'll be able to if you want to. Mr. Deem from MVHS will be happy to show you the ones he has done in CAD. And once you've learned all these different steps, we can combine them into a project. A typical project will be to take a current product, document everything we can find out about it, and possibly come up with ways to improve that product. When you are done with this class, you'll be ready to go on to the other pre-engineering classes. Even if you decide not to continue with engineering, the lessons from this class will better help you understand how things are designed and documented.